If you drive a 2023 Ford Bronco and you're tired of the flimsy door nets that don't really hold much, then definitely check out these metal front door storage boxes. The brand sent them over to us and compensated us for this video. They're designed to fit Broncos from 2021 to 2024, not for the Bronco Sport. And I know the listing says that they aren't made to be used with power seats, but we have no problem whatsoever. We have power seats in this Bronco and we swapped them out not knowing that the listing even said that. And after seeing that, we tried it out. We pulled it all the way up to the front, sitting in the seat, made sure our hands could fit in between the door and the seat, and we had no problems whatsoever. They are made from stainless steel, so they're super durable and won't warp or rust over time. Plus, they just give the interior a clean, rugged look that fits perfectly with the Bronco style. Installation was really easy. I was out here in the garage with my dad. We just took out the screws from the old one, used the included hardware that came with the new ones, and they stay put. It only takes a few minutes, and you can see right here how easy it really was. Everything just fits right up to the original holes. Once they're in, you've got so much more space to stash stuff. Think phones or wallets, sunglasses, sanitizer bottles. Even a small first aid kit would fit in there because they're so deep. No more cramming things into that old net that stretches out and sags over time. These are quick and a practical upgrade that makes a really big difference in your Bronco. We love them. We think you will too, and I hope this video helps.